Okay, let's try the first two trigonometry questions. And the first thing is it says, here's a triangle, and you look, it's got angles A, B, and C. It's got sides, little a, little b, and little c, and it's got an angle up here of x. Now they ask you to, what is the sine x, cos x? And you got to be careful to get this right. You have to think to yourself, SOHCAHTOA. You have to think sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and that's why it's b over a. Cosine is adjacent. C is adjacent, and a is the hypotenuse, so it's c over a. And tangent of x is opposite over adjacent. That's why it's b over c. Now we're going to use SOHCAHTOA to get at solving this triangle. Solve means figure out every angle and side that you don't know. Find PR, RQ, and angle P. Well, angle P is the easiest thing to do because it's got to be 90 minus 72. This whole thing has to add up to 180. So that means if that's 90, this has got to be 90. P's got to be 18 degrees. 90 minus 72. And now we're going to use two ratios. If I take PR, which is opposite, and I put it over the hypotenuse of 13, P over 13, that's called the sine of 32 degrees. Now, if I take 13 and multiply it by the sine of 32, that gives me what PR equals. Put that in your calculator and round it off. PR has to be 12,38. For the same reasons, if you go cosine, RQ, the other side we don't know over 13 is the cosine. So 13 times the cos of 72, that gives you RQ, and it's 4.02 millimeters. Now you could have gone 13 squared minus 12.38 squared and taken the square root and got very close to this. So you could use Pythagoras to have found RQ. It'd be another way of doing it. Okay.